Welcome to my online course, Turn on the Calculator in Your Head. Let's see what we have in this lesson. It's very important to know the 5 pairs of numbers that add up to 10. So 1 plus 9 is equal to 10, 2 plus 8 is equal to 10, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10, 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, and 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Numbers like 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on are very useful, and we call these numbers multiples of 10. Why? Because they start at 10 and go up in tens. Now, if we think of the number 39, we can see that 39 is close to 40 and is 1 short of 40. And we can also see that 58 is close to 60 and is 2 short of 60. This makes it easier to work with numbers. We can add and subtract them easily. Suppose we want 38 plus 5. We know that 38 is close to 40 and is 2 below it. So we take 2 of 5 to make up to 40, and we have 3 more to add, which gives 43. So 38 plus 5 is equal to 43. Now notice also that if we want, say, 5 plus 77, we can add 5 to 77, because 5 plus 77 will give us the same result as 77 plus 5. The order of the numbers does not matter. We can always reverse the order if we want to. So 5 plus 77 is equal to 82. If you want to get full benefit of this course, do the practice sheet of this lesson before moving on to the next lesson.